Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how to cancel Videoleap subscription. To cancel your subscription, guys, go to this URL you can see here, and if you want to cancel on App Store or Play Store, if you have cancel on Google Play Store, click here. You see this option, guys, Google Play cancellation, click cancel option, or go to payment on Google account on your phone. You see, guys, subscription from here and click manage subscription, and from manage subscription you can cancel easily from this account subscription section. If you have App Store, it's same thing, guys, you can cancel from here on App Store subscription. And if you have, guys, and the app on your device, if you have just go to profile and go to activity option, and you can cancel your subscription from here on the activity option. Just you see subscription cancel option from here, from this section, and log in and click just cancel. For example, so guys, just like this, cancel this one, as you can see here, cancel Videoleap subscription, and go to image. You see like this, guys, you see just like this pictures. For example, this one, you see cancel option, and you can cancel from this option. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.